What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you guys are new, my name is Mike. So today we're gonna be finally taking off the steering wheel on my Evo 10. Last time we put in the interior and we tried taking it off, but to be honest, we didn't really know how the steering wheel came off. So now we looked it up and now we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna take it off. So we're gonna have to drive all the way back to where the Evo's stored, to the parking garage. I'm not too sure because I'm currently filming this on a Monday. These two cars literally just arrived, so I don't know if you guys heard about them yet. If you did, today the two cars landed and I'm not too sure if you guys have heard about them yet, but this was my big surprise that I was holding. This was a big package from Japan. If you guys are new to the channel, this Evo 4, not this particular one, like this, not this exact one. This was my first car and it's kind of giving me like the feels again that, you know, it's here. And to be honest, it's gonna be hard to let the Evo 4 go. I've done it before in the past, it did not feel good. It's just such a solid, such an awesome car. And I'm not saying this because I'm selling it, but I'm saying this because I've owned one before. It's a real Evo because it has a 4G63. To me, I don't really care. To be honest, I just love the car for what it is, and it kind of brings back memories to when I was in high school and I had that car. It was just so cool. I beat a 350Z with it, and 350Zs are not slow cars, they're pretty quick. Just to put an aspect how quick the actual car is. I nicknamed my Evo 4 the little Evo that could because it was a lot smaller than my friend's cars. Once again, here she is. She's all wrapped up. We need the Evo's car cover on the Subaru, so we went and switched that out. This one's a little bit small, but since it's only the rear end and it's heated inside here, it doesn't really need a car cover. Still love this interior.
Oh, you know what? There is a little thing here you have to take out over, and then you push this. It looks very easy to do it, but
yeah, those guys on the internet make it look easy, hey?
oh, this has to go down and pull out like that, and then this one, the ground, yeah, there. That's it. This is all.
This is the airbag?
Yes, hold it. Just don't poke it.
Right there is a 17 mil. So what you do, you just kind of like unbolt the nut, keep it still on, and kind of yank on the wheel a little bit until it just pops off. The reason why you keep the nut on is so you don't actually hit your face with the steering wheel. Keep that on. Once it's loose, once it's off, take it off and you should be all good to go. Oh, that's all?
Not yet. There's one more here you have to disconnect. That's it.
This is just an example of how cold it is outside. But nevertheless, the steering wheel is off Ariana, and it kind of got me thinking. I love modifying my cars. I love changing everything that I can with my cars as long as it looks good, while still respecting what the original manufacturer intended with the car. So here's the stock steering wheel of the Evo 10. It's nothing Momo or anything like that, but I was thinking, what should I do to this silver trim around? If you guys have any suggestions, let me know down below, because I know what to do with the leather part, but the silver part, I'm not too sure. I know they make like a carbon fiber piece that goes over it, but I'm not too sure if I want to go that route since it's kind of mass produced. If you guys don't know already, I like making things really unique, and maybe I should just paint it black. I should hydro dip it, wrap it to match the interior. I'm not too sure. If you guys have any ideas, let me know down below. Today's a new day. Update on the Subaru. The car's already safetied and all ready to go. All I really need to do today is get together with Sage and take some pictures, maybe rollers, stuff like that, and then we can make an ad for the Subaru. Also today, I know this video is kind of weird because the earlier clips you saw was when the cars landed. Now we're like 2 weeks ahead, just catching you guys up on that. We also did remove the steering wheel, which I am dropping off today, so we're gonna go do that right now. Alright, so we just made it to the reupholstery place. I'm gonna have to go down and drop this off. I'm so excited to see how the steering wheel turns out and to see it on the car this summer. I can't wait to actually put my hands around a wheel that doesn't look like any other Evo. It's not that I don't like it, it's more like I want to do things that people haven't really done before or people don't really do on Evos. I don't know, I know it's kind of old school, but hey, it's gonna look sweet. Alright guys, so I just dropped off the steering wheel. If you guys are wondering where I get my stuff done, Alpha Reupholstery. They always do a good job. I'm so happy with my seat. I just dropped off my steering wheel and he said he'll have it done by next week, which is unreal because I know for a fact I wouldn't be able to do it, my dad wouldn't be able to do it, and these guys have like really good quality and they get the job done pretty fast. We're gonna end the vlog here. Sorry about my hair once again. Didn't really get a lot of sleep last night, but I do apologize if this vlog was a little bit, how do I say, like confusing because of like the timeline. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out and make it happen.